Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into FirstNet wireless, quick access step by step clearly. To begin, ensure you have your FirstNet wireless device ready. Locate the power button and turn on your device. Wait for the device to boot up completely. Once powered on, navigate to the network settings. Look for the Wi-Fi option and select it. Make sure your Wi-Fi is enabled. From the list of available networks, find and select the FirstNet network. Enter your password when prompted. If you don't have the password, check the welcome package or contact customer support for assistance. After entering the password, wait for the connection to establish. Once connected, open a web browser on your device. In the address bar, type in the FirstNet login URL. Press the Enter key to navigate to the login page. You will see fields for your username and password. Enter your FirstNet username in the first field. Next, input your password in the second field. Once both fields are filled, click the Login button. Wait for the page to load your account dashboard. You should now be logged into your FirstNet wireless account. If you experience issues, double-check your username and password for accuracy. For forgotten passwords, look for a Forgot Password link on the login page. Click that link and follow the instructions to reset your password. After resetting, repeat the login steps to access your account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.